We're going to be solving this question we have on the screen. Okay, so how do we go about this? This is a simultaneous equation. And in this simultaneous equation, we have equation 1 and then equation 2. All right? So what are we going to do? What's the best line of action in this question? What we're going to do is we're going to try to expand equation 1. We're going to expand this equation. And how do we do that? We're going to say, to expand that, take note, this and these are not the same. This is different from this. Equation 1 is different from equation 2. How do we expand that? It's going to be x plus y into x plus y equals 81. All right? And this would give us x multiplied by x, which is x squared, x multiplied by y, which is xy, y multiplied by x, which is yx or xy, right? Anyway, xy, and y multiplied by y, which is y squared, equals 81. Okay, so now we've expanded equation 1, and we can rewrite all of that as x squared plus y squared plus 2xy equals 81. Okay, let's call this equation star now, just for labeling's sake anyway. All right, now take note of something. You will take note that we have this entire expression here right now. So x squared plus y squared is right here. So we can replace x squared plus y squared with 45 in equation star. So we're going to do that. So we replace x squared plus y squared with 45 in equation star. So then we have 45 plus 2xy equals 81. So 2xy equals, of course, we're going to subtract 45 from both sides. So subtract 45 from both sides. So 81 minus 45. 45 minus 45 is 0, of course. 81 minus 45 is 36. Okay? I believe you already guessed what's going to happen next now. What's going to happen? We are going to divide through by 2. So divide through by 2, and xy equals 18. And that is your final answer. Thank you for coming to today's class. See you in the next class. Au revoir, bye.